Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add TradingView in Notion. Open Notion and pick the page where you want the chart, then select Embed from the block menu and paste the TradingView widget code. Adjust the width and height to fit your layout, set the trading symbol and time frame in the widget settings, and save the block so your interactive chart appears inside Notion for quick reference. Start at TradingView and open the chart or widget builder to create your custom display. Choose the stock or crypto symbol, pick an interval like 1D or 1H, select light or dark theme, and add indicators you want visible. Copy the provided iframe code exactly, since small changes can break embedding. Keep a backup of your code in case you need to tweak settings later for different Notion pages or templates. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long setup sessions and fits cup holders, perfect for staying focused while embedding charts. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's an easy grab if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Go to your Notion page, type /embed and choose Embed, then paste the TradingView iframe code into the box and press Enter. Resize the resulting block by dragging corners so the chart remains clear on both desktop and mobile layouts, and test interactions like zoom and symbol change. If Notion blocks the iframe, publish the widget to an external hosting service or use TradingView's share link and embed that instead for reliable access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.